watching The Angle. I'm Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. 81st Conference of Presiding Officers, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla said democratic institutions have to be strengthened. View of the air pollution in Delhi, the Delhi government has decided to ban firecrackers. During the assembly sessions in Rajasthan, there was a lot of altercation. Rafiq Khan's retort on the statement of BJP leaders regarding Taliban-like situations in the state. International Day of Democracy was celebrated all over the world today. Inaugurating the 81st All India Presiding Officers Conference, on this occasion, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla said that, being the supreme democratic institution, we are a role model for other institutions of the country. He called upon all the public representatives to maintain the highest standards of discipline and decency in their work. This conference was held virtually under the chairmanship of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. On this International Day of Democracy, Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot tweeted that there is a need to ensure justice and equality to protect democratic principles. The Supreme Court has given 2 weeks more time to make appointments in the tribunals. The court said that when the names of the candidates have been suggested by the committees, then why these posts have not been appointed till now? Chief Justice N.V. Ramanna said during the hearing that if the list of the identified people has already been prepared, then why have they been selected from the wait list? The Chief Justice said that the names of 41 people were suggested by the committee, but only 18 have been appointed. We don't even know on what basis people were selected. Due to the air pollution in Delhi, the Delhi government has decided to impose ban on firecrackers. Like in the last 3 years in Delhi, this year also there will be a ban on the sale, storage and use of firecrackers on Delhi. This has been announced by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal through his Twitter handle. He has taken this decision in view of the pollution situation in Delhi. CM Kejriwal has tweeted, in view of the dangerous situation of Delhi's pollution during Diwali for the last 3 years, like last year, a complete ban is being imposed on the storage, sale and use of all types of firecrackers so that people's life can be saved. Javed Akhtar said that India can never become Afghanistan. Lyricist Javed Akhtar, who has compared RSS and Vishwa Hindu Parishad to Taliban, has clarified by writing an article in Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samanna. In this article, he has described Hindus as the world's most civilized and tolerant majority. In the article, he has further written that Taliban rule Afghanistan can never be compared with India. He has described India as soft-minded. BJP leader Madan Dilawar addressed the Mewat as mini Pakistan during the question hour. Many leaders of the ruling party objected to his statement. After that, the commotion continued to grow. Madan Dilawar attacked the Ashok Gehlot government fiercely during the question hour. He said that Gehlot government has completely failed. Mewat has becoming mini Pakistan. Here Hindu girls are being trapped by Muslim boys and forcibly converted to religion. He said that these incidents have increased in the last several days. He alleged that the conspiracy was being hatched to drive out Hindus from the entire area. MLA Ramlal Sharma interacted with the media outside the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. During this, the Congress government was furiously surrounded by MLA Ramlal Sharma regarding the deteriorating law and order in the state. On Ramlal Sharma's statement, Transport Minister Pratap Singh said that BJP is now in a panic and is presenting false figures. BJP is completely destroyed in the state. In the same outrage, false figures are being presented in the House in giving different types of statements. Congress fulfilled 64% of the promises made in its manifesto. Echo of the episode of Sangh Pracharak Nimbaram was also heard in Rajasthan Legislative Assembly today. During 0 hour, BJP MLA Abhinesh Maharishi raised the issue of collapsing law and order in the state, accusing him of conspiring against Sangh Pracharak Nimbaram. Then Congress MLAs and ministers present in the House got enraged. Due to a heated argument between the parties and the oppositions, the proceedings of the House had to be adjourned for half an hour. However, after half an hour, when the proceedings of the House started again, MLA Madan Dilawar said that if anyone has been hurt by his words, then he expresses his regret for that. No differences between Congress government and Taliban rule in Rajasthan, said by BJP. Lahoti said that there has been a situation like Andheri Nagari Chaupat Raja in Rajasthan, and it seems that Popa Bai's rule is here. Lahoti said that today neither women nor Dalits are safe in Rajasthan. There is no such day when rape cases are not registered. Regarding the increasing figures of crimes in the state, Ashok Lahoti has said that there is no difference between the Congress government and the Taliban rule in Rajasthan. The same MLA Vasudev Devnani also said that steps are being seen moving towards the rule of Taliban in Rajasthan. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle.